This tutorial shows you how to resolve connection errors and improve WhatsApp connectivity on Android. First, check your internet connection by opening any browser. Your web page will load if the connection is working. Next, if the internet is fine, open the Settings application on your Android device. The Settings menu will appear on screen. Following that, scroll down and tap on Apps. Your installed applications will load. Now, find and tap on WhatsApp in the list. The WhatsApp app info page will open. Moving forward, tap on Storage. Your storage options will be displayed. Afterwards, tap on Clear Cache. WhatsApp will remove temporary connection data. Then go back to the app info page. The main WhatsApp settings will reappear. Once that's done, tap on Permissions. Your permission settings will load. Next, make sure location permission is set to allow. WhatsApp needs location access to optimize connections. Afterwards, close Settings and restart your Android device. Your phone will reboot completely. Now open WhatsApp again. The app will reconnect to the servers. Try sending a message to test the connection. WhatsApp should now connect without errors. Alternatively, if the issue persists, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Your connection type will change. Once that's done, check if WhatsApp connects properly. The connection should stabilize on the better network. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you fix unstable connection on WhatsApp, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp troubleshooting guides, and tap the bell icon for notifications.